A huge dome has a smaller dome inside it. The space between them is hollow.
Okay, so what's the difference between the Taj Mahal and the Great Pyramid? Raise your hand if you know.
The Taj Mahal walls are not solid.
Good, and they're hollow, and then in the pyramid, they're solid. Good.
But our students have great success here also in Bismarck. We have a good percent of students that are just hired every year into the Bismarck public school system, primarily because principals get to see them teach in practicum student teaching. They see the skills that they have and they hire them, which makes sense. But there's opportunities. It just depends, where do you want to go? And obviously there's a few more opportunities in some majors.
Tomorrow we're going to do an assessment on this part where they'll need to do it on their own. So maybe, yeah.
So maybe do the first two together and then second and you do this one on your own.
Okay.
Talk about what it says.
Okay.
Think about what we just did here and here. So how would you do it? Yeah. That would be a good plan.
Down the road here, there's going to be a lot of turnover. You just look at America's schools. The older teachers that are in there, they're going to be retiring. Who's going to fill those shoes? Obviously, in certain parts of the United States, there's a tremendous demand. Southwest, where populations are increasing, Hispanic populations. There's a lot of job openings. In fact, I had a student in the office that was offered 3 jobs in Arizona. She went to a job fair, and once they found she had a Spanish minor, everybody wanted her. She's going to pick where she wants to go. So there's opportunities like that. In certain majors, there's tremendous opportunities. Math and biology, sciences. There's just not there's a shortage of teachers.
Or would you like to be a giant whale swimming through the water, looking for things to eat, looking at the, what was that animal called that floated in that book?
Killer whale! Killer whale!
No, it was something that was thorny. It was in the book and it said it had poison. What was it?
Thorn!
Something thorn. You remember what it was, Sawyer?
A thorn pile.
It was a sea star.